If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making CHENA KHAI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about half a cup of sugar. Then take some cloves and one black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then take 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the chena, slowly pour some water on top of it to get rid of the sour lemon flavor. Now take all the chena in a bowl, then take a small portion like this and tightly squeeze it to remove the excess moisture and give it a random shape, just like this. Now similarly make others. Then take a pan and in that add about 2 tablespoons of water along with all the sugar and wait till all the sugar dissolves. Then we need to boil the syrup for roughly about 3-4 minutes until we see large bubbles like this. Then add all the chena balls and coat them really well, and this should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, CHENA KHAI. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.